Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we are going to do a English speaking practice and today's topic is vegetarian or non-vegetarian, which is better, and are human being omnivorous, especially the belief that non-vegetarian cannot attain God. So friends, let's discuss in this topic. So, friends, food is not just about survival, it is deeply connected with health, ethics, environment, and spirituality. The question of whether vegetarianism or non vegetarianism is better has been debated for centuries. Scientifically, humans are omnivorous, but spiritually, many traditions believe that only a vegetarian lifestyle leads to purity of mind and closeness to God. But, friends, science says humans are omnivorous, non veg is natural. First, scientific structure of teeth. Humans have both canines for tearing meat and molars for grinding and crushing plants. These mixed dentines prove that human beings are designed to eat both veg and non-veg. यानी कि हमारे दांत हर्बीवरस और कार्निवरस दोनों के जैसे हैं. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. अवर इंटेस्टाइन इज नीदर टू लॉन्ग लाइक काउस नॉर टू शॉर्ट लाइक लायंस. इट इज मीडियम लेंथ सुटेबल फॉर मिक्स्ड डाइट. And third one is stomach acidity. Human stomach acidity is very strong. It is pH 1.5 to 3.5, similar to carnivorous. So friends, it can easily digest meat and kill harmful bacteria. At the same time, we can also produce enzymes like amlas in saliva to digest starch. And fourth point is nutritional needs. Some nutrients vitamin B12, omega-3 fatty acid, heme, iron are mainly found in animal-based food. And plant gives us fiber, vitamin C and antioxidants. Together they balanced our health. Fifth is evolutionary proof. Evolutionary proof means archaeologist studies shows that our ancestors were hunter-gatherers, eating fruits, roots and also animal meats. इसीलिए साइंस के हिसाब से तो इंसान ना सिर्फ शाकाहारी है, ना सिर्फ मांसाहारी है, बल्कि प्राकृतिक रूप से सर्वाहारी है. And sixth point is survival. Survival in the cold region like Arctic or in ancient time, meat was necessary for survival. So friends, let's come to the main point. So friends, non-vegetarian is also can attain in God. Dear friends, God does not live in our kitchen. He lives in our heart. The Bhagavad Gita itself says, by devotion alone can I be truly known. केवल भक्ति से ही मुझे सचमुच जाना जा सकता है. So God sees our faith, our humility and our love, not what we eat. Across the world, many saints in Islam, Christianity and Sikhism consume non-veg, yet they attain God through their deep devotion. Yes, vegetarian food may support meditation, but God realization is not bound by diet. A person who is honest, kind, and devoted will reach God, whether vegetarian or non-vegetarian. So, friends, let's us not judge the path of God by the stomach, but by the purity of the heart. Now, let's discuss against the motion. Preference for veg, even if human beings are omnivorous. First, though human being can eat non-veg, we don't need to. A balanced vegetarian diet can fulfill almost all nutritional needs except B12, which can come from supplementaries. करने की क्षमता अलग बात है और करना उचित है या नहीं वो अलग बात है. Second, human intestine are longer than pure carnivorous, which means our body digests plant more efficiently than meat. Excessive meat is linked with heart disease, obesity and cancer, whereas vegetarian diets lower such risk. Ethically and spiritually, many traditions believe in ahimsa, non-violence, so they prefer vegetarian food, even though humans are biologically omnivorous. So friends, If we look at the point of scientific and health aspects, science supports both sides. Vegetarian diet prevents lifestyle disease and promote longevity. But non-vegetarian diet provides complete protein and nutrients that may be lacking in vegetarian foods. The real solution lies in balanced and moderation rather than extreme choice. So, friends, last but not least, this debate does not end by declaring one side as superior. The real question is not veg or non veg, but healthy or unhealthy. So, a balanced diet eaten in a moderation is always the best choice. Hence, both vegetarian and non vegetarian food can be beneficial if consumed it wisely. So friends, if this video add any value in your English learning journey, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep learning, keep watching, keep growing. Thanks for watching my videos again.